Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tonight we're gonna just take a minute and put a grill cover on the front of my 2018 Chevrolet. It shouldn't take too long. It wasn't the goal I intended for tonight, but as soon as I started getting things out to work outside, it started raining, so I changed my goals. As you can see out there, it just finished up raining for the night. Anyway, tonight we're gonna put this grill cover on. It's just a nice little touch to add some definition to the front end of the truck. As you can see right there, there's a hole, and that's going to be for my block heater plug. So I'll mount the block heater plug to that, and then screw in this grill cover and see what it looks like. All right, first I'm going to take this zip tie off. It's holding the block heater plug in place. Then I'm going to take the shroud off that covers the radiator. Set that aside. Then I'm going to take a look here and see where this wire routes to. So it looks like there's one zip tie holding this in place still. And then it should be free enough to load it down where I need it to go. Here's the plug. That's how much wire I got. Plus the new block plug that's going to connect to it. So what I'm thinking is I should have enough length between the two to bring it from the front up. I just got to figure out how I'm going to go about that. Yeah. So I got the wire fed down through where the air box is. I routed it down there in front of the radiator on top of radiator bracket. Now I'm going to go get the parts to mount the block to the new grill cover, and then we're going to route the wire up and plug it in. Wasn't an easy task. I got my hand stuck for a minute there. Got scary. She looking good. All right, we're finally done. That's what she looks like. Don't look bad.